Hello and welcome back to Teachers Helper videos. This video is designed to help students, teachers, and parents understand the difference between a series and parallel circuit. It will also give you a realistic view on how to put circuits together. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let's define what a series circuit is. A series circuit is defined as an electrical circuit where parts are connected in a line, allowing current to flow in one direction. In a series circuit, you need a battery pack or electrical power source, wires and light bulbs, or a noise device. In a series circuit, the current flows through each component. Now let's take a look at a student putting a circuit together. In this video, you will see a series circuit. As you can see in the video, the student uses a battery pack as their power source. He connects the wires and the two light sources. Now, in a minute, you will see both light sources are on when the student moves the switch from off to on. He's going to move the switch from off to on. So there are the two light switches and the wires, and here's his switch. Although the light is dim on one of the light bulbs, both work in the area sharing the same component in this circuit. Now, what happens when the student disconnects one of the light bulbs? So when the student disconnects one of the light bulbs from the series circuit, you will see that it will disconnect the power source and both light bulbs will not work. There you go, as you can see here. Would you use a series circuit in your home? Okay, now remember, a series circuit is a linear pathway. The current or power is constant and it is less reliable. Now let's define a parallel circuit. A parallel circuit is an electrical circuit that has multiple paths for electricity to flow. Now, a parallel circuit is perfect for connecting multiple lights. An example of a parallel circuit is holiday lights inside or outside the home. A parallel circuit is used because even if one of the lights blows out, it does not affect the other light bulbs from working. Now let's take a look at a student putting a parallel circuit together. We have two light bulbs, a battery source, switch, and wires. As the student puts the circuit together, think about the difference between this circuit and a series circuit. Comment below the difference between both of those. Also think about, how does the two lights stay on? So the parallel circuit has multiple pathways. The voltage is constant. It is more reliable and used in the home. Imagine that one of your light bulbs goes out in your house. What would happen to the other light bulbs? Comment below if you know. Now pay attention when the student disconnects one light. Watch what happens. As you can see, even though the student disconnects one light bulb, the other light bulb still works. There is not a disconnection of current because one light is not connected to the circuit. Now that you have seen a realistic view of a series and parallel circuit, try these examples on your own. Identify if they are a series circuit or a parallel circuit. Be sure to check the description for the answer key. I want to thank you for watching my video today. Please check out my other videos for more science help. Feel free to give me some video ideas as well by commenting below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.